drum major for Windsor High School Drumline. Product 2026 showcases the best and brightest artists in Windsor High School has to offer. From visual art to music and culinary to metal shop and beyond, Windsor High has diverse range of artistic options for students. The drumline here at Windsor High School is experiencing our largest group ever, with a total of 23 students enrolled this year. It's quite chaotic, but we are the busiest group on campus, performing at football games, rallies, concerts, parades, and other school functions, and pretty much everything we can go to. Tonight at the Windsor High School Drumline, we'll be performing for you in collaboration with the performance with Areté TV. We would like to thank you all for coming. So our first piece that we're going to be playing for the evening is a short cadence called Boombox, composed by Alan Keown. Its groovy rhythms will get us tapping your toes. Our first piece, Boombox. Now, our second piece is called Black Box. This is composed by Areté Chavez. The infectious grooves in this piece will get you moving. Again, that was Boombox. Now our third piece is called Intergalactic Retrophone. Once again, it's posed by Alan Keown. This piece will take you on a journey to the stars.
Hello, everybody. My name is Hattie Alexis Estrada. I, too, am a senior here. And for our last song, we're going to be playing Stickin' To It, a song by Carl. What was it? This song is split into 3 parts, and throughout the entire school year, during our concerts, we would perform each part, slowly like building up to the final performance. And I think you guys will enjoy it. Thank you very much. This has been Windsor Drumline, speaking for Product 26. Thank you.